Clipboard Plus allows you to copy as many text phrases as you wish and then paste them together afterwards. To get started, mark the text phrase you wish to copy. Then right-click and choose Append to Clipboard Plus. The text phrase is now saved in the clipboard. Repeat the procedure with all text phrases you wish to save. Now, create a new email. In this pop-up, you need to get Clipboard Plus visible, so go to the toolbar of the pop-up and click on the clipboard icon. From the drop-down, choose View Clipboard Plus and it will show. You can do the same thing by right-clicking anywhere on the Compose area. Now you can see all your text phrases. Mark a text phrase and insert it. Repeat the procedure until you have combined your text phrases in the order you wish. When you are ready, finish your email and press Send. reMARK. Subscribe for more tutorials.